kids! Welcome back to Speakeasy English with Joe and Sleepy Jimmy. Today, we're talking about weather.
Weather? Oh, I hope it's sleepy weather.
Maybe. Let's find out. Are you ready for weather wonders?
Mm-hmm. Let's go.
Jimmy, look, the sun is shining. Kids, this is sunny weather. Can you say sunny?
Sunny!
Sunny. Ah, warm and cozy. I like the sun.
What can we do when it's sunny?
We can play outside, ride a bike, go to the park, or take a nap in the sun.
Not everything is nap time, Jimmy. Uh-oh, what's that sound?
Oh no, is it juice from the sky?
Not juice. Kids, this is rainy weather. Say rainy.
Rainy!
Rainy. Drip, drop, drip, drop.
What do we need when it's rainy?
An umbrella, and boots, and maybe hot chocolate?
Good idea. Let's stomp in the puddles.
Splish, splash.
Whoa, did you feel that?
My hair is flying away. Wait, I don't have much hair.
Kids, this is windy weather. Say windy.
Windy!
Windy, whoosh.
What can we do when it's windy?
Fly a kite, but hold on tight, or you'll fly away like me.
Jimmy, come back! Okay, kids, windy weather is fun. Brr, it's getting cold.
I think I need a blanket.
Kids, this is snowy weather. Say snowy.
Snowy!
Snowy. I want hot soup.
What do we do when it's snowy?
Build a snowman. Throw snowballs. Make snow angels. Or take a warm nap.
Jimmy, you just love naps. Uh-oh, what's this?
Joe? Is this a tummy rumble?
Not your tummy. Kids, this is stormy weather. Rain plus wind plus thunder.
Thunder is loud! Boom! Boom!
Don't worry, Jimmy. Storms stay outside. We stay inside and stay safe.
Good, because I'm staying under this blanket.
Look up!
Wow, it's beautiful.
Kids, this is a rainbow. Rainbows come after rain when the sun comes out.
I wish I could slide on the rainbow.
Maybe in your dreams, Jimmy. Okay, kids, time to play Guess the Weather. It is warm and bright. The sun is out. We can play outside. What weather is it?
Sunny!
Yes! Fun in the sun!
Drip, drop, drip, drop. We use umbrellas.
Rainy!
Splishy, splashy.
Whoosh! Hold on to your hat.
Windy!
Whoa!
Brr, it's cold. Snow is falling.
Snowy!
I need more blankets.
Boom! Flash! We stay inside.
Stormy!
Boom, boom, no thank you.
Rain plus sunshine equals...
Rainbow!
My favorite, magical sky colors.
Great job today, kids. You learned...
Sunny! Rainy! Windy! Snowy! Stormy! Rainbow!
And I learned that every weather makes me sleepy.
Everything makes you sleepy, Jimmy. Thanks for joining us on Weather Wonders. Bye!
Bye!